In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export a WordPress site to Hostinger the easy way. If you're moving your website to Hostinger or switching hosting providers, this method allows you to migrate your WordPress website quickly without manually downloading files, exporting databases, or dealing with complicated technical steps. Hostinger actually provides a built-in migration tool that can automatically transfer your entire WordPress site, including your posts, pages, themes, plugins, images, and settings. The best part is that the process is mostly automated and beginner-friendly, so even if you've never migrated a website before, you can still follow along and move your site successfully. By the end of this video, your WordPress website will be transferred to Hostinger and ready to run on your new hosting account. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right into the first step. The first thing you want to do is log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside your Hostinger dashboard, look for the Websites section. Go ahead and click on Websites, and this will show you all the domains and websites connected to your Hostinger account. Find the website or domain where you want to import your WordPress site. After you locate it, click on Dashboard to open the management panel for that website. Inside the website dashboard, you'll see a variety of tools and settings for managing your hosting, files, databases, and WordPress installations. What you're looking for here is the migration feature. Find the option labeled Migrate Website and click on it. This is the tool Hostinger provides to automatically move websites from another host to your Hostinger account. Once you click Migrate Website, Hostinger will ask you to choose the type of website platform you're transferring. Since we're moving a WordPress website, select WordPress from the list of available platforms. This tells Hostinger that the migration system should prepare to copy a full WordPress installation, including the database and site files. After selecting WordPress, you'll need to enter the URL of your current website. This should be the live address where your WordPress site is currently hosted. Simply type in the full website URL so Hostinger knows where the migration is coming from. Next, Hostinger will ask for your WordPress admin login credentials. Enter the WordPress admin username and the password that you normally use to log into your WordPress dashboard. These credentials allow Hostinger's migration system to access your site securely and copy the content automatically. Make sure the login details are correct because the migration process needs permission to read your WordPress installation. After entering your login information, the next step is choosing the Hostinger domain where the website will be imported. If you have multiple domains in your Hostinger account, select the one that should receive the migrated website. This is where the copied WordPress site will be installed once the migration is complete. Take a moment to double-check everything, including the website URL, the WordPress login credentials, and the destination domain. Once everything looks correct, you can move on to the final step. Now click the Start Migration button. Hostinger will begin transferring your website from the old host to your Hostinger account. During this process, the system will copy your website files, import the database, and recreate the WordPress environment on your new hosting server. The time this takes can vary depending on how large your website is, but most migrations complete within a short period of time. While the migration is running, you can simply wait for Hostinger to finish the process. Once it's done, your WordPress site will be successfully exported and imported into your Hostinger hosting account. After the migration finishes, it's a good idea to visit your domain and confirm that everything looks correct. Check a few pages, make sure images load properly, and verify that your posts, menus, and plugins are working normally. If everything looks good, then your website migration is complete and your WordPress site is now running on Hostinger. And that's how you export and migrate a WordPress site to Hostinger step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials about WordPress, websites, and online tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.